Hey! Look at this, guys! Oh, it's hailing, raining, whatever. Thunder, lightning, hail for Carroll County. Whoa! Hail, 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 rain, rain, rain. Oh my goodness sakes. Dude! Holy smoly. Holy smoly. What the world is up with this? What the world? Mom, look at that.
You missed all the good photos though, Bub.
What?
Are you still recording?
Yes.
No, because I have the good photos, remember?
Mom, look at that.
Woo, feel the rain.
Look at that.
Are you still recording? Because
Yeah.
you're making people sick.
Why?
When you do it like that, you make people sick. Here, this is what came through already once. Are you showing it on your camera?
Yeah.
Are you seeing this? Do you see it?
Yeah.
And this one?
Isn't that cool, YouTube?
What about this one?
Isn't that cool?
And this? Look at that.
Isn't that awesome? If you like that, please like. That's awesome. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
What are we looking at? Just the clouds. Just the clouds. Ain't no twirlies in this stuff right now.
No. Look at that corn right now! Do you see it, YouTube?
No, they don't, because you're all over the place.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You're going. Look this, you gotta keep it level. Gotta keep it visible for them. Always look at your screen. Make sure everything you want is in your screen.
Okay, we have about 1 more minute left in this video. So, well, look how fast that cloud's going.
That's flying, ain't it?
Look how fast. Oops.
Look at the clouds over here. There's a donut hole. You see it? The donut hole. Don't laugh. Zoom back out so they can see it.
Doesn't that look like a donut?
Donut hole in the cloud.
Oh, it's dismissing. It's eating it. Okay, I'm gonna have to